Yo, hello everyone. Are you interested in accepting cryptocurrency payments on your Squarespace website? In this tutorial, I will walk you through the process of integrating crypto payment gateways into your Squarespace site, from choosing the right payment provider to the configuration. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So guys, first of all, I will need you to launch your Squarespace account. Then make sure that you have a website by clicking on create website through this button and then choose the correct website for you. So for now, I'm just going to click on skip on everything to create one very fast. Now choose a professional design website template and let's choose, for example, this one. So I'm going to start with this template. Now we have set it up our first website. Now let me just give it a title. So let's name it, for example, tutorial crypto. And here click on continue. Next, make sure to give it next and then another next and then get started. So from here, you can adjust your website as you'd like. Here you might find the pages, design, commerce, marketing, etc. and much more. So let's go to settings and here you'll find some kind of store payments. So let's go to click in here and click on it. Now after we clicked on it, you will find that you can connect a payment processor as Stripe, PayPal, Square. So these are the main ones. Now, how we can add actually some other ones, that's what I'm going to show you now. So basically, the store itself, so Squarespace itself will not allow you to do so. Even if you want to store currency and you try to change it to whatever currency you'd like, you will not be able to find, for example, BTC, which is Bitcoin. So what you have to do in that case, simply go and search for no payments. So this is the website, nopayment.io, and then click on get started. From here, of course, you'll have to create an account, email, password twice, and then you'll be good to go. So let me just do that real quick. So guys, now, after you have successfully created your account, this page should appear for you. Here, you must add your crypto address to receive payouts. So funds sent by your customers are converted automatically and sent to this payout wallet. So for example, here, I'm going to choose USDC or USDT. So I'm going to here and I'm going to copy this USDT, which is Tether. Then paste here your wallet. If you don't have a wallet yet, click here and you can create a wallet on no wallet, or you can even have your address through Binance, through MetaMask, through a bunch of wallets that you might find as an extension or as a website or as an application. So it is very easy to get a wallet address. Now I'm going just to skip it since I don't really have to connect any wallets, and then I will create a payment link. So now I will click on here to create a payment link. So just click here, choose for example wallet, and let's paste for example random number, and let's click on confirm. So now I have a wrong wallet, so I'm going to bring like a Bitcoin wallet and then I'll be right back. So guys, now I have connected it and created my payment link. So now just make sure to accept all currencies, change it to USDT for example, and here put the price to 20. Order description, payments for products for example, and here the order ID 1. Fixed rate, make it out for USDT, prepaid by user. So let's go ahead and click here, confirm. And then error was creating payments, pay currency, etc. Let's choose this again to check the error. Currency is not allowed, so is the TRC20 is not really allowed. So for this problem, you can just fix it by removing it, and I will create a new link. Here I'm going to choose 20, payment for products, fixed rate, and order ID. I'm going to put, for example, here 120, and here confirm. So now we have successfully have this link. So basically what we need next is to add this link to our website. So how we can actually do it? Simply you can, for example, go to your site through here, and for example here this is a button that we can click on. So let's click on edit through here, and then what I'm going to do is click on this button. This button, for example, let's say that this button is our buy button. So I'm going to change it here to buy, and the link will be changed to this. So from here, all you have to do is, as I said, click here, change everything, paste this, enter, and everything will be good to go. So link, we can add link, open a new window, or we can just copy this link from here, copy link address, paste it over here, and it will be good to go for you. Click on save, and now if you went to the website and visited it, so I'm going to click on save, and let's visit the website, for example, from here as incognito. So private site, it is not yet published. So now as it is, we can simply exit this edit section, and if I click on buy, there's where it's gonna take me. It is actually going to take me to a page where I'm going to buy something or pay with cryptocurrencies. So now if I click on proceed to payments, I have to choose payout BTC is not allowed. So let's choose something which is allowed, Ethereum. I don't know exactly what kind of currencies they accept, but overall now the only thing that you have missing is to choose which kind of currency they accept. I don't really know which one they accept actually, but yeah, this is like the simplest way or the easiest way to actually add a payment method as cryptocurrencies into your Squarespace website. So let's check, for example, as here for help. So help, copy the address and the amount your wallet and press send. Please don't pay. Here's user agreement. Here leave your email. Will notify you when the seller receives your payments and much more. So let's check here for the currencies that they accept. We can go, for example, to the supports. Let's go here, accept, and now payments, cryptocurrencies accepted or accepted cryptocurrencies. So this starts accepting Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, stablecoins, and many more cryptocurrencies with native integration into a platform needs. So you can click here to check correctly. And yeah, this is their partners, how it works, what kind of partnership they have. They accept, you can use this as Shopify, WooCommerce account. You can use it in many kind of aspects. And yeah, it is very easy to use, guys. As I showed you, only have to create a payment link, add your address, the amount that you want to pay, and just like that, you have your link ready to go. Just make sure, guys, that your address is correct. If you put the wrong address, you will be losing your money since people will be sending the money to this address and this address is not yours. So technically they will be buying stuff from you while you are not getting any money from them. So the most important thing is to actually put the correct address. And that was it, guys. That's how you can put the cryptocurrencies payment gateways into your Squarespace websites. Thank you guys for listening to me until now, and see you guys in the next tutorial.